What's up gamers, here's how you can find the Legionary's Gladius in Crimson Desert. This is a good find while you're still early in the game as it is one level higher in attack speed compared to your character's default weapon. To begin, first reach the end of the bridge just above Wycliffe Mappery. Our target location is on the top of the cliff right side of the waterfall. Find your way there by moving along the edge of the cliffs. You'll have to climb some rock formations and go through a bit of the forest. Until you find some man-made structures. Approach the statue and light up its 2 candles. After that, the statue will react, and the barred entrance behind it will open. You'll find a treasure chest inside that doorway. Loot it and you'll get the Legionary's Gladius. If this video helped, leave us a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more Crimson Desert tutorials. Thanks for tuning in.